The Cooler Master TD500 Max is a robust, all-in-one PC case bundle designed for builders who demand high-performance cooling and a reliable power supply. Featuring the ML360 Max AIO CPU cooler and the GX3 Gold 850 power supply, this case stands out for its combination of cooling efficiency and power delivery. The ML360 Max ensures that even high-performance CPUs stay cool under load, making it ideal for enthusiasts looking to overclock or run demanding applications. The 850W power supply provides ample headroom for most builds, and the Gold certification ensures energy efficiency while maintaining stability. One of the standout features of the TD500 Max is its well-thought-out design. The pre-installed powered ARGB fan hub and the inclusion of a 120mm ARGB fan at the front give users the option to customize their system's lighting without additional components. The case itself supports multiple fan placements, including 7 positions for 120mm or 140mm fans, and can accommodate larger GPUs up to 380mm in length. This ensures that the case remains versatile for a wide variety of components. Additionally, the motherboard tray comes with built-in sockets for power supply cables, streamlining cable management, and keeping the interior neat and organized. The build quality of the TD500 Max is impressive, with a tempered glass side window that allows you to show off your components. However, the inclusion of a mesh face panel as a front dust filter could be a double-edged sword. While it offers good airflow, it might not be as effective at dust filtration compared to a more solid panel. Despite its strengths, there are a couple of drawbacks to consider. One is the lack of a second PCIe 6+2 power cable, which could be limiting for users with dual GPU setups. Another downside is the case's noise levels. It can be somewhat loud, especially when under load, which might be off-putting for those who prioritize quiet operation. Overall, the Cooler Master TD500 Max is a fantastic choice for builders looking for an all-in-one solution. Its high-quality cooling, solid power supply, and practical design features make it an excellent value for the price. While the noise and missing cable are minor concerns, they don't overshadow the case's ability to meet the demands of high-performance systems. For those looking for a hassle-free build with excellent cooling and power delivery, the TD500 Max is a top contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.